When you need quality control solutions, you need SJE Rhombus, the global industry leader. During our 5 decades in business, we've built our reputation for quality, expertise, and innovation by delivering the most reliable integration of engineering and manufacturing capabilities in the market. We're the most trusted name in control solutions for many industries, including water and wastewater, industrial, municipal, agricultural, and more. No matter your application, SJE Rhombus has a control solution to fit your needs. SJE Rhombus is part of SJE, a global company with locations across the US, Mexico, and China. SJE was founded in 1975 in Minnesota, where our headquarters still resides today. In the decades since our founding, we've grown to over 500 employees who all live by our motto, integrity in all we do. Our diverse and ever-growing portfolio of brands spans capabilities and industries. Our customers around the world turn to us for the experience they need to complete their unique applications. Plus, with over 65 design and utility patents, we've proven to be a leading force of innovation in the industry. As we've evolved, so has our product offering. We produce nearly 80,000 control panels a year, from $200 panels to multi-million-dollar projects. Whether you need a pre-engineered panel or a complete custom system, we've got the experience needed to get it done right. Take control of your project today with SJE Rhombus. To learn more, visit our website at sjerhombus.com.